Hello everyone, this is the customer production side of Shandong Yuan Machinery Co., Limited. First, let's take a look at the raw materials after the customer's crushing. The raw materials of the customer are crushed wood and rice husks. Wood chips are fed into the belt conveyor by a double screw shaft feeder. The belt conveyor sends the wood chips into the high-efficiency hammer mill for crushing. The finished sawdust after crushing is sent to the hydraulic buffer silo. The belt conveyor above is used to transport rice husks. This is the pulse dust collector in the hammer mill section. The raw materials are transported from the hydraulic silo to another workshop via a closed belt conveyor. The raw materials are fed into the double shaft uniform silo by a closed belt conveyor. There are 4 XGG850 pelletizers under the double shaft uniform silo. Each pellet machine produces 3 to 4 tons per hour. The finished pellets are sent to the pellet cooler by a closed belt conveyor. After passing through the cooler, the pellets are transported to the customer's finished product silo by a high-angle belt conveyor. Finally, the pellets are transported to the packaging machine. In the pellet cooling section, there is also a pulse dust collector. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our equipment, please feel free to contact us.